Designed as a vacation home for an elderly couple, this unique construction reflects their experiences in their previous home, which they had sold. They wanted the house to function like an apartment, ensuring security and simplicity. Just close the door, and everything inside remains safe. To meet these needs, the house was elevated on a small platform, situating the entrance there and allowing the front to extend over the slope of the terrain. A large deck with a pool was added to the front, maintaining the home's inviting atmosphere despite its compact design. For future accessibility, the guest rooms were placed on the second floor, while all essential living areas, including the social and service spaces and the master suite, are located on the ground floor. Inspired by Provençal architecture, the house features a robust stone exterior. This traditional facade is contrasted by the mezzanine's misaligned form, which adjusts the ceiling height and grants access to a glass balcony. This design ensures ample natural light, creating a dynamic and airy atmosphere